had my wishes. I dreamed of being something else each day. Wished I was a superhero or an astronaut in space. My life continued, and as it happened, I watched it from the sidelines, and I looked back and realized how I wish it had began. If I was a lesbian, my life would be great. I would be a lot less shy when asking girls out on dates. And I'd be the cutest girl, as I'm sure you're aware. And I'd be the only girl I know to wear boys' underwear. And if I was a lesbian, I'd buy pretty clothes. And I'd be all cool and edgy, and I'd pierce my nose. And I'd have a lot of fun comparing boobs with my friends. And I wouldn't be afraid of getting pregnant again. As I grew older and went to high school, I was your average teenage boy. Wearing makeup and skinny jeans was the stuff that I enjoyed. And then it hit me one fateful weekend. I tried to les out with my friends one day. And then I knew that my path in life was not completely straight.